Personal protective equipment is protective clothing, helmets, goggles, or other garments or equipment designed to protect the wearer's body from injury or infection. The hazards addressed by protective equipment include physical, electrical, heat, chemicals, biohazards, and airborne particulate matter. Protective equipment may be worn for job-related occupational safety and health purposes, as well as for sports and other recreational activities. Different examples of personal protective equipment. There are different examples of personal protective equipment depending on the type of work it is intended to use. Hand gloves is a garment covering the hand. Gloves usually have separate sheaths or openings for each finger and the thumb. If there is an opening but no covering sheath for each finger, they are called fingerless gloves. Fingerless gloves having one small opening rather than individual openings for each finger are sometimes called gauntlets, though gauntlets are not necessarily fingerless. Goggles, or safety glasses, are forms of protective eyewear that usually enclose or protect the area surrounding the eye in order to prevent particulates, water or chemicals from striking the eyes. They are used in chemistry laboratories and in woodworking. They are often used in snow sports as well, and in swimming. Goggles are often worn when using power tools such as drills or chainsaws to prevent flying particles from damaging the eyes. Many types of goggles are available as prescription goggles for those with vision problems. A helmet is a form of protective gear worn to protect the head. More specifically, a helmet complements the skull in protecting the human brain. The word helmet is derived from helm, an Old English word for a protective head covering. A respirator is a device designed to protect the wearer from inhaling hazardous atmospheres, including fumes, vapors, gases and particulate matter such as dusts and airborne microorganisms. There are two main categories: the air-purifying respirator, in which respirable air is obtained by filtering a contaminated atmosphere, and the air-supplied respirator, in which an alternate supply of breathable air is delivered. Within each category, different techniques are employed to reduce or eliminate noxious airborne contaminants. A hearing protection device, also known as a HPD, is an ear protection device worn in or over the ears while exposed to hazardous noise to help prevent noise-induced hearing loss. HPDs reduce the level of the noise entering the ear. HPDs can also protect against other effects of noise exposure such as tinnitus and hyperacusis. There are many different types of HPDs available for use, including earmuffs, earplugs, electronic hearing protection devices, and semi-insert devices. Safety shoes or steel toe boot is a durable boot or shoe that has a protective reinforcement in the toe which protects the foot from falling objects or compression. Workwear is clothing worn for work, especially work that involves manual labor. Often those employed within trade industries elect to be outfitted in workwear because it is built to provide durability and safety. Always use personal protective equipment in working, especially when you are working in a hazardous place or environment.